dear students. Our topic is reproduction. You know what is reproduction? Every organism, living organism, will produce their new generation, new progeny or new offsprings. Means reproduction, reproduce the generation. Okay? Reproduction is two types: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Clear? Sexual and asexual reproduction. So what is the difference between them? Sexual reproduction means when two parents are required of different sex. Asexual means only one parent is required. Sexual, male, female. Asexual like amoeba, paramecium and other organisms. They produce by their own. Means single body is required for asexual reproduction. Clear? But sexual reproduction have benefits over the asexual reproduction because there is a variation. There is a variation for new organism because of DNA copying. But it is not possible in asexual reproduction. Clear? So first we will discuss about the types of asexual reproduction. These are also known as modes of asexual reproduction. Yes. Single organism, I already informed you. So first, like fission. What is the meaning of fission? Fission means breaking. Breaking. Okay. Fission is two types: binary fission and multiple fission. When an organism is divided into two daughter cells or two progeny, this is known as binary fission. Bi means two. Like amoeba, paramecium, these are divided by binary fission. First the nucleus will divide, then cytoplasm will divide. This is known as binary. Multiple fission. Multiple, as the name suggested, many. When an organism will divide into many divisions or progenies or many nuclei, this is known as multiple fission. Like plasmodium. Okay? Plasmodium is a good example of reproduction by multiple fission. Clear for you? Second is budding. Budding. Okay? What is budding? Budding means in single organism like hydra and yeast, one bud will form on organism's body. This hydra, simple bud will form on organism's body, and slowly it increase in size. Okay? Increase in size like this, and after some time it become like the parental body. This is the hydra, and this bud will form like the hydra. It looks like the parental body. When it looks like the parental body and become mature, it will cut off from the parental body and survive. Okay? Separately it will survive like the parental body. Clear? Again I am repeating. One bud will form, growing slowly and become like a parental body. And when it's mature, it will cut off from the parental body and survive. Clear? After that, third is spore formation. Spore formation. This method is especially found in fungus growth. Okay? In this method, spores are packed in sporangia. Have you seen fungus? Okay? Fungus growth. Spores are packed in sporangium or sporangia. Singular form is sporangium and plural form is sporangia. These are spores inside the sporangium. There's a hard cover. So when these are not getting the suitable conditions like moisture, they will pack inside the sporangium. But in moisture like rainy season, this sporangium will burst. Okay, and all spores are coming out, and each spores will form the new organism. Clear? Again repeating, these are the sporangia in which spores are packed in unfavorable conditions like in summer, but when they are getting the proper moisture or in rainy season, the sporangium will burst out and the spores are dispersing here and there, and they will form the new organisms. Okay, so this is a type of spore formation, especially found in fungus growth. Clear? After this, fragmentation. Fragmentation. You know what is the meaning of fragment? What is the meaning of fragment? Fragment means part. Okay. Fragmentation means divided into many parts. A good example is Spirogyra, the lower class animals. Okay. It is divided into 2 or 3 parts. Clear? The Spirogyra, mature Spirogyra will divide into 2 or 3 divisions or fragments, and each fragment will form the complete mature Spirogyra. This is known as fragmentation. Okay. After this, regeneration. Same as fragmentation, regeneration. Regeneration means again generate. Okay. Is found in plain area. Plain area like Spirogyra. Plain area also divide into 2 or 3 parts. Okay. And each part will form the new organism. Okay. They will form the new organism like this. So both are same as fragmentation as regeneration. But what is the main difference? In fragmentation, there is a simple body like Spirogyra, lower class plant. Simple body is divided into many fragments. But regeneration is found in a special type of complex body like planaria. Okay, Animalia group. Plain area is divided into different parts, and each part will form the new organism. Clear for you? After this, last, vegetative propagation. Vegetative reproduction, or we can say vegetative propagation. What is the meaning of this? When plants are growing asexually, means without seeds, they will grow by any vegetative part of the plant. Means like rose, they will grow by stems. Clear? Without seeds they are growing. Banana, okay, potato, these are grown by other parts, other vegetative parts. So they are, the example is bryophyllum leaf also. Bryophyllum leaf. This leaf will form the, when we saw this leaf, the small plants are coming out from the corners of the leaf. So this is also a good example of vegetative propagation. Okay, again, when the plants are grown without seeds, this is a type of asexual reproduction. So plants are growing without seeds with any vegetative parts. Okay, this is known as vegetative reproduction. Example, banana, potato, bryophyllum leaf. Okay. Now last is hybridization. What is the meaning of hybridization? Hybridization hybridization. Hybridization means when two different species will crossing over. Okay, two different species will crossing over and form the new species. This is called hybridization. Okay, like many varieties of rose are found nowadays. Okay, new varieties, new colors because of the hybridization. Two different varieties are combined and form the new variety. This is called hybridization. Okay, clear beta? Okay, thank you.